In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an expert advisor trading robot on Metatrader 5. We'll start in a web browser, visit the official MQL5 market, pick a free expert advisor, install it, and then make sure it's placed in the correct folder inside Metatrader 5. By the end, your platform will recognize the robot and be ready for testing on a chart. Open your browser and search for the MQL5 market. The market is the official catalog of trading tools for Metatrader, including indicators, utilities, and expert advisors, also known as EAs or trading robots. Using the official source helps ensure the files are compatible with Metatrader 5 and reduces the risk of downloading anything unsafe. From the search results, click the official MQL5 or Metatrader site. This will take you to the market front page. Once you're on the site, look for the section dedicated to expert advisors. You can use the site's search bar and type the name of an EA you're interested in, or simply browse the available categories to explore what's popular or recently updated. On the market page, click Get Started to move into the EA listings. This button puts you in the right place to browse options. Next, select See All so you can view the full catalog instead of a small curated subset. Seeing everything makes it easier to compare features, release dates, ratings, and whether an EA is designed for Metatrader 5 rather than Metatrader 4. Apply the free filter to limit the results to expert advisors you can install without payment. This is perfect for learning the installation process and testing ideas without any upfront cost. When you find an EA you want to try, click into its page, read the description, and check compatibility with Metatrader 5. When you're ready, click Install. If your browser and platform are linked, the installation will pass the EA directly to Metatrader 5. If you instead downloaded a file, that's fine. We'll place it manually in a moment. After the installation or download finishes, switch over to the Metatrader 5 application on your computer so the platform can register the new file. Inside Metatrader 5, go to the top menu and click File. From that menu, choose Open Data folder. This opens the application's working directory, which is where Metatrader expects to find all of its components. Keeping files in this structured directory is important so the platform can compile, update, and load them correctly. In the Data folder window, double-click the MQL5 folder. This is the main container for everything you code or install. Inside MQL5, open the Experts folder. If you downloaded an EA file manually, paste it right here. If you installed through the market, you'll typically see the EA already placed under a subfolder automatically, and you won't need to paste anything. Once the file is in place, close Metatrader 5 completely and restart it. Restarting forces the platform to rescan the folders and update the navigator list. When Metatrader reopens, check the navigator panel and look under Experts. You should see the EA listed and ready. If it is not visible yet, give it a moment while the platform finishes indexing. A few practical tips before you proceed to use it. Always confirm you are on Metatrader 5, not Metatrader 4, because files are not interchangeable. Avoid renaming EA files after installation, and keep related files together if the author provided any. Finally, consider testing on a demo account first, since all trading involves risk. That's it. You've searched the MQL5 market, filtered for free expert advisors, installed your selection, placed it in the MQL5 experts folder when needed, and restarted Metatrader 5 so it recognizes your new trading robot. Follow these steps anytime you add a new EA, and you'll have a clean, reliable installation process every time.